guys? Chef here. Today we're gonna mix water and grape, and I only got a minute, so I need to hurry the fuck up. So here we go. No, not. I need like on the time. Shut up, Roman. Okay, on the tablet time. All right. Since I'm done with that, now we're gonna put the grape shit in there. I don't know what's gonna look like. It might look like wine. What? You could prank someone with the wine shit. Look at that, guys. Ugh. Look at this. Wine right here. I'm gonna drink it right now, so get the fuck out of my face, alright? Alright, here we go. Smells out. Ew, it tastes like shit. It does look like wine, but it tastes like shit. Not like shit. Don't take it like that. But it tastes like shit. Alright guys, I'm out. Yeah, peace.